So there are two ways to make money through real estate. You either make money through capital appreciation or through cash flow. So there are two types of capital appreciation. We have long-term appreciation and short-term appreciation. And when we talk about long-term appreciation, we're talking about land banking. When you talk about short-term appreciation, we're talking about land flipping, buying the land to resell within a short period of time. Now we talk about cash flow. We have steady cash flow and rental cash flow. So what if I tell you that I have a property situated in the city of Enugu that can serve you both for capital appreciation and both cash flow right here in the city of Enugu? So today I'm currently at Peace Garden Estate, just adjacent to Golf Annex. This property is currently new to the market and it is still selling on its pre-sale value of 20 million naira. Now it comes with a registered title document, which is a registered deed and a registered survey plan. It is fully registered in the land registry. It has no encumbrances, no community keys on it. Now each plot in this land is measuring 500 square meter per plot, and you can see it is a dry and table land. Now currently they are doing the perimeter fencing of this estate. That is to show you that this estate has good appreciation when it comes to cash appreciation and when it comes to rental value. So if you're in Nigeria that based diaspora or a first-time buyer, you're looking for the best location where you can start your real estate investment opportunity right here in the city of Enugu, and this is the best property I would like you to key into right here in the city of Enugu. It is newly in the market and it's selling for a pre-sale value of 20 million naira. Guess what? We have a flexible payment plan for you. We just initial deposit of 10 million naira and spread the payment plan in 3 months. You can be a owner of Peace Garden Estate located in Enugu. All you have to do is to reach out to me on this number you see on screen, 070-6728-3262. I am Freddy Chinosu, your real estate friend based here in the city of Enugu, and my goal is to make sure I give you safe, profitable and verified property right here in the city of Enugu.